Namaste. This is Dr. Nidhi Rawat, and today I want to address the confusion and concern many people are experiencing after seeing an alert issued by the Victorian Department of Health Australia regarding a counterfeit rabies vaccine in India, specifically mentioning the name Abhayrab. So first, let's understand what does counterfeit actually mean. Counterfeit means a fake or unauthorized product illegally using the name, label, or appearance of a genuine brand not manufactured by the original company and not released through authorized supply chain. So, counterfeit products are criminal limitations and not genuine vaccines. A counterfeit vaccine does not mean that the original manufacturer's vaccine is unsafe. Now, the most important question people are asking, why was the name Abhayrab mentioned? So here is the key clarification. The name Abhayrab was used because counterfeiters generally copied a well-known, trusted brand. Like Abhayrab is a well-known, widely used rabies vaccine manufactured by Indian Immunologicals Limited since the year 2000, and it is very trusted, widely available, used across the government programs, and it is supplied to over 40 countries. So counterfeiters often misuse the names of reputed brands to make fake products to appear authentic. So the name Abhayrab is being used by counterfeiters. The Australian advisory does not accuse Indian Immunologicals Limited of producing a defective vaccine. Instead, it states that fake vaccines were found in the market that were falsely labeled as Abhayrab. This does not mean that genuine Abhayrab made by Indian Immunologicals is unsafe or that all Abhayrab vaccines are fake. So let's look at the sequence of events because timeline matters. So on 23rd December 2025, the Victorian Department of Health, ATAGI, Australia issued an advisory mainly for Australian travelers who received rabies vaccination in India after 1 November 2023. So their concern was that some travelers may have unknowingly received this counterfeit vaccine while abroad. Their advisory was meant for Australian travelers who received rabies vaccination in India after 1 November 2023. Then, how did Indian Immunological respond for this statement? Indian Immunologicals themselves detected a suspicious batch in the market, which was the batch number KA24014 with non-standard packaging, and then immediately informed to Indian regulators, alerted law enforcement agencies, and confirmed that it was not manufactured by Indian Immunologicals, took action to remove it from circulation, and on 26 December, Indian Immunological issued an official holding statement clarifying that all genuine Abhayrab vaccines supplied through government channels and authorized distributors are safe. Every batch is tested and released by the Central Drugs Laboratory Government of India. The issue was batch specific. This reflects strong pharmacovigilance, not negligence. So please understand this clearly that Abhayrab manufactured by Indian Immunologicals Limited is safe. It's been used since 2000, over 210 million doses supplied, and this vaccine is used in 40 plus countries. Subject to mandatory government testing, There is no advisory from any Indian regulators asking people to stop using Abhayrab. So should people in India get panic? No, absolutely not. If someone is still worried, what should they do? There is no harm in repeating rabies vaccination when medically advised. And if someone is unsure about the source of their vaccine or lacks documentation or received vaccination in an unregulated setting, a doctor may recommend repeat doses with a verified vaccine, and this is safe and acceptable. This is about extra caution. Please remember, this is not a failure of Indian vaccine manufacturing, and this is not evidence that Abhayrab, which is produced by Indian Immunological, is a counterfeit vaccine and is unsafe. So this is about illegal counterfeit products which unfortunately exist in many countries and many industries. So what should the public do? If you received rabies vaccination from government hospitals or recognized medical colleges or from authorized private hospitals, then you are safe. Then you need not to worry. India remains a global supplier of life-saving vaccines, and Indian Immunologicals Limited has acted responsibly and transparently. Stay safe and informed. Thank you. Jai Hind.